Company Limited is one professional car modification supplies company located in Guangzhou, China, with annual sales of 10 million USD. We have several associated factories and offices located in China, Japan, and America, with a total of 60,000 square meters and 500 employees, specializing in R&D and production of steering wheel, gear knob, interior panel, and seat cover. We obtained the IATF 16949 Quality Management System certification since 2015. The management system is given great attention in our company to ensure standardized and high-quality production. Adhering to the business philosophy of integrity, professionalism, and win-win, the company has gained the trust of customers around the world. We export to over 30 countries and regions, including Japan, the United States, Europe, Turkey, Middle East, Thailand, Malaysia, and so on. After several years' development, we have mature water transfer printing process and carbon fiber process. In addition, by introducing new equipment and keeping developing new products, we have achieved great progress. We accept flexible cooperation models, hope provide more exciting and extraordinarily driving experience to our customers. Please feel free to contact with us.